Hello there and welcome to the Sourced Coffee YouTube channel. My name is Ash and I will be your host for this video. Now before we get started, be sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our future content. And feel free to check out all previous videos that we have on this channel via the links in the description down below. In this video, we will be looking at this machine right here, the Coffetek Vitro S1. This is a fresh bean, granulated milk and hot chocolate touchscreen machine. It has 8 drink selections, including hot water for tea and hot chocolate, plus 1 coffee bean hopper and 2 other canisters, 1 for the milk, 1 for the hot chocolate. It is ideal for up to 60 cups per day and comes in a manual 4-litre or plumbed model, providing a maximum 9-ounce cup fill. It requires a 13-amp plug for power and comes with a 12-month parts-only warranty. It is a small footprint machine which is easy to refill and easy to clean. Perfect for entry-level use. Now, if you have any other questions or you wish to browse the full range of products and services that we offer here at Sourced Coffee, you'll need to click on the link down below which will take you to the Sourced Coffee website. We hope this video has been useful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel before you go, and thank you so much for watching this video.